uses and applications of robotics in logistics. Distribution networks across the complete international supply chain call for a high volume of diverse and complicated tasks. This paves the way for challenges for automation, which is the cheapest and easiest technology to implement where there are simple and repetitive tasks. However, new technology is fast overcoming these hurdles in logistics in a few unique ways. There are multiple uses and applications of robotics in logistics. Stationary piece picking. Items are constantly being sorted in the warehouse. Usually, it is simply a matter of moving a product from one container to another. Historically, the task of piece picking has been challenging, as robots were not sure of which items they were picking. Industrial robot arms led by vision systems that can identify which products can effectively handle this process in a stationary work cell. These robots enhance accuracy and efficiency in the warehouse. Custom packaging. Whether it is a bulk discount or a massive sale, many items require customized packaging before they make their way to the retailer's shelves. This can be challenging for a robot since it signifies working with different product shapes and sizes. It also calls for work to be finished around humans, unlike inside a work cell. This is where cobots or collaborative robots step in. Cobots are designed to work around humans safely and have played a significant role in logistics. They have no sharp edges and power off when they accidentally bump across something. Some cobots can be trained to perform tasks in logistics applications by allowing humans to guide their arms once to learn the movement. This lessens inefficient programming time and speeds the custom packaging process. Robots are swiftly making their way in the logistics sector and are providing efficiency, accuracy, and safety in a vast array of applications, mainly that entail work in the distribution center. There are several exciting robotic technologies in logistics, including robots, but cobots have been incredibly effective. Management of warehouses and inventory. Automated robots with AI serve as excellent allies in managing the warehouse with better control and added safety. Poor inventory management is probably the biggest distribution nightmares, as it has an adverse impact and indicates vast losses for the company due to shipping errors and wrong stock figures. Arches and drones let logistic teams have more up-to-date and accurate inventory details in real time, which minimizes the amount of time utilized in conducting monotonous review tasks, along with costs and errors. They even help organize the warehouse, detect empty areas, and optimize space. These systems are essential for companies with complex warehouses with very high or deep shelves or catalogs with several product variants that increase workers' likelihood of making mistakes. Inventory transfer. When goods are unloaded, moved, or chosen for shipping traditionally, the tasks of mobilization and picking in logistics took a significant amount of time and also involved several safety risks for workers. The integration of robotics and use of robots adds more speed and safety when unloading, storing, lifting, and packing pallets, even though not all robots and drones can handle the distinctive sizes, shapes, and weights. This option is incredibly useful in e-commerce as it permits the exact products of each order to be located in the warehouse. This streamlines the process of packing and shipping and reorganizing shelves continuously. There are numerous applications for robots outside the storage facilities. Drones and autonomous vehicles will be more effective for shipping small orders or large goods for private customers, as in e-commerce. A controller can review signals sent by the autonomous vehicle from a distance, follow them in real time, and confirm customer satisfaction. If you are looking to integrate robotics and other automation solutions into your production, contact B2E Automation today. We can work with you to develop a custom solution that works best for you.